Hello and welcome back to the workbench. So today is the big reveal. What did I buy? Oh, I'm sure you might have guessed it. This is a Stihl MS-170. It's from 2002. Nothing special. We got to repair that, see what's wrong with it. According to the previous owner, it had been sitting a while and he wanted to use it and he couldn't start it. Which is pretty much what happens all the time. Lack of use kind of makes him stop working. Then, steel bar, made in Germany, Rollermatic E type. Still got a little bit of wear over here, but still will be able to use that. So this is a 0.325 bar. 16 inch with a 1.6 millimeter gauge. But the saw is an MS-261 C from 2012. Again, he wanted to use that. It wouldn't start and it was getting a bit too heavy for him. So we'll see. There's the Sugihara super light bar. I know bar alone is one of those. It's quite an expensive bar. It's also all a good buy. And we've got the mill part. And you have to run it along a ladder or a board or something. That's that part. Clamp it down onto the 261. But as I said in the previous video, don't really have that many thick trees to make milling be worth it. That's okay. We'll see what we do with that. So, where did I buy them from? Saturday. I went to Portugal Grande, which is 2-hour drive from here one way, 2-hour drive back. And I bought them. And with my Honda Civic, it's the Civic EK3 with the VTEC E. I used 13 liters of fuel. So 14 liters. After I went, I refueled and it came out to 5.4 liters per 100 kilometers. So really efficient because the whole road is either 80, 90, sometimes down to 50. But there's no stops. Not many stops, not many traffic lights, very economical. So that's not too bad. And we've got this bunch of chain over here, which we can sort out. And this one's a little bit rusty. Not sure if we can free that up. This part here, the links are rusted together. But it is a genuine steel chain, so maybe after soaking it for quite some time in some oil, or diesel, we might be able to free that one up. This one should suit the MS-170. Now we've got what's happening here. Here we go. This chain should suit this bar, the 261. So I got one Oregon chain and 2 steel chains for the 170, although one needs treatment. And the rest is all for the 261. Really not bad. At least the previous owner bought good quality chains. Thanks for watching the big reveal. And ignore the echo in the corner. That's already been part of my collection for a long time. Hope you enjoyed this. And we'll see if we can get them running or not. Join me on the next video when I just see if they'll start without doing anything. Thanks for watching.